Hello everybody, my name is Mark and I am the developer of ListSpot. In this quick demonstration video, I want to show you how you can use our app, some of the features that you may not know about, and how you can get the most out of it. Using this app is incredibly simple. We've made it that way. That's why the buttons are so big, but I want to take you through everything you can do and some of the advanced features that you may not know on your own. So let's take a look at the app. So we'll get into the body and how the app actually works, but I want to take a look at this top bar right here. First up, we have the undo button. We can also save the document right from here. If you have another document that you've saved previously, we can go ahead and open that. And we can also copy items and paste them and cut them. So that's the main format right there. That's the main bar up here. If we click on this disclosure triangle right here, we can name the document and choose where we want it to be saved if you've already saved the document. Right here is the body of the document. We have our item and we have our description. To add a new row inside here, you just click the plus button. And you can also do Command and Enter to add a new item. If we hover over these buttons, it will give you a tooltip showing you what the button does and also the keyboard shortcut for that. If you want to remove any item, let's say I want to remove this one, we go ahead and click the remove button. If we hover over it, it will also show us that we can do Command and Delete to remove those items as well. Now let's say we've got a bunch of items that we need to scroll through. You can either use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard, or we can use the up and down buttons on the app. If we want to rename an item, you just double click on it, and then we can enter something like date. And then you can click outside of that to dismiss that. If we want to edit the description, we can just do that, and then we can say 625.18. You can click enter or click outside of it. Another cool tip is that if we double click on here, and we can just say number 1, if you press tab, that will automatically go into the next one, and then we can just say whatever we want and hit enter, and that will then accept that change. Now another tip is that if we are selected on a brand new row, or any row at all, if we click enter, it'll take you to the first item, click tab, it'll take you to the next item, and then hit enter, and then it's all done. So again, enter, tab, enter, and you're done. Now it's actually really simple to reorder and organize these a little bit. So if we want to have lots of text on this side and not as much on the description side, we can click here and drag it to make it whatever size we want. If we are working with an alphabetical list, we can also click on the header right here, and that will then sort them in alphabetical order, and you can do either of them. So you can put them in the exact order that you want, and it really helps with sorting things like names and that sort of thing. Now the app is really simple to use, but if you have any questions at all, click the question mark button right down here in the corner, and you can learn more about what these buttons do. And you can also contact us. We're available every single day of the week to help you out. So if you ever have any questions or need any help, feel free to let us know. We'll do our best to help you out. But there you go. That is how you use the app. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the app. And again, thank you for your purchase.